Sumi. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sumi, showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you all need to whisper. Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Ms. Sumi, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of harassment of a public servant?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's it. All right, off the record for a moment. Y'all need to whisper. If y'all were spies, everybody knows the state secrets because y'all are not whispering. We're back on the record. All right, you're charged with the offense of harassment of a public servant. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
He does, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Sumi, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes. Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may continue to confirm. Ms. Sumi, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client understands what happened that day. She understands she made a mistake. She'd like to be given the opportunity to show she can be a productive member of society.
All right.
That is, we ask that you follow the agreement, Judge.
All right, so let's talk about what I read in the report said that she was hearing voices. Have you ever had a mental health diagnosis?
Yes, I'm diagnosed from a judge that I was schizophrenic. I went to, I'm supposed to receive a social security check for it. but I
Okay.
don't receive it. I try and work.
All right. And what's your support system like?
I have a friend who's gonna help me out, if I'm able to, do probation until I can get my own place.
And I have spoken to that gentleman. He does intend on opening up his home to her
All right. And what's the relationship?
friends. Judge.
How long have you known him?
I've just known him for the past year
How did you meet him?
through a friend, just a girlfriend of mine.
All right. And the reason why I ask these questions is because I am going to, just one second.
That's good.
Thank you. The reason what allergies, the reason COVID has tried to catch me, but when knock on the door, I'm like, not here.
You're the judge.
All right.
My judge.
So the reason why I ask these questions is because I'm trying to make sure that you have a stable placement. I don't want to just send you out in the world without a stable placement. So are you on medications at the jail?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And have you made any efforts to have your medication when you were released? Do you have a
They-
doctor?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to MHMR and continue my medication.
Do you have a doctor?
I just go to the MHMR and they just prescribe my medication. I don't really talk it out like with a counselor or anything anymore. I used to.
Okay, you're going to need to have a counselor, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any children?
I do, but my dad supports my son, and one of them, my other son, I had gave to the adoption agency, and they.
I'm sorry, what?
I had gave to the adoption agency, Adoption Alliance.
Okay.
And they had paid for him and everything.
All right, so how old is your child that's not adopted? 8?
But they have full custody of him.
Was that through CPS?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $1,500 fine. That will be probated. 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. Probation.
Yes.
I'm going to want a MIC evaluation. That can be done out of custody. What's the time frame on out of custody? All right.
Either way.
All right. So we'll do a MIC evaluation out of custody. What is her criminal history?
I don't believe she has very much, Judge. I don't recall that off the top of my head. Forgive me.
Looking to file, Judge.
All right. Thank you. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, field visits, 1 time per month until further notice. Proof of employment or SSI within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And with regards to the,
Yes, ma'am. She just has the 3 misdemeanors, Judge.
Oh.
Criminal trespass, a graffiti, and another criminal trespass.
all right,
And at one point, Judge, she was homeless, and I'm sure that's where the criminal trespass is arising out of. She is, again, she does have a home to go back to now.
okay. There's going to be a referral for the Center for Healthcare Services. Anger management. And 200 hours of community service restitution. Is there anything else, probation? All right, and I'm sorry, no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. State Defense, did you all consider having her placed or consider for placement in the mental health court?
My understanding was that Judge Ron Hill lost funding and that there.
No, I mean,
That
nothing
was
hurts.
the last I heard.
Okay, nothing hurts a failure but a try. So if y'all would like to, and if the state is in agreement, if y'all can see if mental health court would accept her, and then y'all can do a motion for new trial, and we can handle that this way, because I believe, and I could be wrong, it's going to put a lot on probation to make sure that she takes her medications, because she really needs a case manager for that. And I don't want her to end up coming back here because she's not taking her medication.
I understand that, Judge. I'll go up right now and check.
All right. And here's the thing. I understand, because I used to represent people who had mental health issues, and I did a lot of research on it. Sometimes you start feeling great and you're like, why am I taking these medications? I feel great, and you stop. Or either sometimes what ends up happening is there are side effects and you stop taking your medication. Then we end up right back here. I don't want that to happen for you. Okay?
And can I say something? I was thinking about getting the monthly injection instead, so
Okay.
that would be.
All right. Well, you can talk to your doctor about that. But if you're going to do the monthly injection, just let probation know. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And what's this tattoo on your chest?
Oh, it was just a name I made up.
Okay.
It's Portland.
Okay. All right. So what's going to end up happening is they are going to interview you for the mental health court. If the mental health court ends up accepting you, then your attorney is going to come back and we'll do a motion for new trial, and they will end up supervising you. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. And does she need to remain in custody for the mental health court interview or no?
That's something that probation.
Okay. All right. Norma, if you can refer her to the mental health court, please. And then if you'll check with mental health court and see if they want her to remain in custody. If they want you to remain in custody because the day is Monday, they'll probably see you before the week is out. But we're going to find that out before we send you back. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
I'll check on that right now.
Sure. Court is calling 2022 CR 7775, State of Texas versus Jules Regine Alonzo. If I can have parties announced for the record for the state.
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Almonte.
And are you Miss Alonzo?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Why is there the crowd over here? Okay. All right. Are you the same Jules Alonzo who was placed on community supervision and cause number 2022 CR 7775 for the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced on March 27, 2023 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Jules Regine Alonzo, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May of 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It's true.
State?
Oh, Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 months in the state jail facility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you deny the motion, continue the defendant, and amend her alternate amend her conditions for SATIF, followed by aftercare, as recommended by the jail staff, and that she stay in custody, waiting for a spot in SATIF, Judge.
All right. So what has she done while on probation?
Not a lot, Judge.
Have you done anything?
No, ma'am.
All
But
right.
I
So
do need help.
I'm sorry.
But I do need help.
Well, why didn't raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jose Alonso.
All right. So actually, this is incorrect. According to this paperwork, it says the punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. But according to the judgment, the terms of the plea bargain was 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. But you say you need help.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, why didn't you ask for that before?
Because last time I was pregnant and you offered a year state jail or 4 years probation, I didn't want to have my baby in jail.
All right. So it is actually, her underlying is 2 years in the state jail facility and not 6 months in the state jail facility. So where is your child?
She's with my mom.
And so you had your child. Was your child born positive for anything? And I see where I referred you to felony drug court. I did a referral to Esperanza court. So why are you just now saying that you need help when I've offered you help?
Because I was supposed to be in custody and y'all let me out.
So we let her out of custody and then you go use drugs or whatever you
I
did.
didn't use no drugs when I got out.
Well, you didn't report. So it's our fault.
No, not at all. It's my fault.
Right. So why are you acting as though it's our fault?
I'm not saying it's your fault, Your Honor, at all.
I mean, well, you just said, well, y'all let me out.
Yeah. But I got scared. I got scared because y'all let me out and I wasn't supposed to be let out.
Yeah. And instead of you coming back to the court, you just off in the free world, not reporting, not doing anything. And now you come to me and you want mercy from the court. I still don't understand why I should follow your proposed agreement. She has done nothing. What have you done?
Be with my kids.
You shouldn't have even been with your children because here's the thing. You haven't done anything. This is what I ordered, intensive parenting classes. Have you started parenting classes?
No.
I ordered felony drug court. I ordered Esperanza court. Have you reported to the UA hotline?
No.
Did you have employment?
No.
So you've done nothing. And somebody is allowing you to live with them, obviously, without employment. So what have you done? Nothing. So probation, why should I be following this? She hasn't done anything.
Your Honor, I show on my records that the felony drug court or the Esperanza court was to be done in custody. It doesn't state that on my records now.
Mm-hmm.
That is quite possible. I would say let's give her a chance to get evaluated in custody
Mhm.
and then see what their recommendations are. That's all.
Yeah, she's saying she wants help, Judge. I think that's the state's what we're trying to do, Judge.
All
And,
right.
Your Honor, if I may add something
Yes.
as well. I obviously wasn't counsel on the first go around, but my understanding, speaking with Ms. Alonso, is her primary reason for not accepting time the first time around was the birth of her child. She's since given birth to that child, has been taking care of that child, finally recognizes that she needs help, albeit it sounds like, and my apologies on her behalf for making it seem like she was blaming the court. I don't think that was her intention. I do think she is wanting and seeking help at this time. One of the other offers was 18 months in jail, but she chose the option of, she told me specifically that she wanted help and assistance now. I
Okay.
thought this was the way for her.
I would like to know how she's taking care of child. Obviously, she has a drug problem. And she's trying to tell me that she hasn't been using drugs since she's been missing. I don't think that's true. She's not working, so she hasn't been financially supporting her child. And since she's using drugs, she hasn't been mentally there for her child. And your mom, or who is the person who has custody of your child? Your mom?
Yes.
And your mom is allowing you to live with her.
Yes.
What's your mother's name?
Viola.
I'm sorry?
Viola.
Viola what?
Vidal.
Vidal? Is that Vidal? All right, I'll deny the motion. Alter amend conditions. It's going to be to a referral to felony drug court in custody And if she's not accepted, then she's going to safety. And that's in custody. And she is not allowed to reside with Viola Vidal. And there's to be no contact with minors until further notice. Is there anything else?
Oh, you're on.
Anything else? Anything else you need? Probation?
Clarification, the place has contact the client.
No contact, because I can tell you right now, Child Protective Services is involved and they don't know what's going on.
Well, all my cases are closed.
Well, I can't believe Child Protective Services closing your cases and you're still, yeah. See, this is what ends up happening with Child Protective Services cases. You have sometimes people will agree to terminate their rights, sign their rights over to their parents, but in all actuality, they're still the parent of the child because they're living there and their moms just stepped up and did it because otherwise the baby was going to be with some unknown person. So yes, no contact with minors until I say it's okay for minors. And if you want to end up having contact with minors, you had better start doing your parenting classes and doing all of that. Because on the CPS side, sounds to me, you took the easy way out. Let me have these babies. Let me sign my rights over to my mom. And guess what? I don't have to do your parenting classes. I don't have to worry about drug testing. And my mom is going to let me have my children back. Not here, not today. So that's the court's ruling. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, we can go off the record. Here's in this court, and I know I've told you this before, in order to be successful, you need to stay in contact. Successful. If there's an issue, let us know. If probation, you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand? Yes or no? All right, good luck to you. Court is calling 2024 CR 2335, State of Texas versus Michael Anthony Campos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Out of the record for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Campos?
No.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Campos, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Waive, your.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Campos, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of robbery? Range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state proves up the enhancement, your range of punishment will be 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Campos, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 13 years in the prison. There are no applications, and this is to run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522, and you're to agree that you've been previously convicted of another charge for purposes of enhancement. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph? Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it
Yes, ma'am.
in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And to the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your proof and based upon State's Exhibits 1 and attachments.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. Then the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 13 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 2522. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement. Your right to appeal, you do not have or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. We're going to proceed with 2022 CR 2522. What's entitled motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review?
Committed the offense of robbery in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in these motions.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 7 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're asking that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's probation, and sentence him to 7 years in the prison, concurrent with cause number 2024 CR 2335.
That is our understanding agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 7 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 2335. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There should be no contact with Sarah Sarah Garzes, Garzes. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification. Pen just failed. Going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. How old are you?
42.
All right, you're 42. You get to the point where I am, which is we're on the downside of life, right? So I know you have a lot of issues that are going on in your background based upon your tattoos and everything else. So you're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life. Do you want to be in prison and locked up for the rest of your life? Or do you want to be in the free world? It's completely up to you. You understand? All right, good luck to you, okay?
All right, I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. 2022 CR 10890, State of Texas versus Joseph Solis. Oh, we can just pull the file. Could our parties announce for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
William Davidson.
And are you Joseph Solis?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Joseph Solis who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 10890 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram, on April 17, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Joseph Solis, the detonator, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of January 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
Or waive the remaining violation.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor, is to deny the motion, continue him on his deferred, amend the conditions for more MRT
Yes.
and Taffy Val, and keep in custody until the Taffy Val evaluation is completed.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Joseph Solis.
All right, Mr. Solis, what's going on in your life? Why are you not doing well?
Honestly, I was just kind of being like, I was trying to do it on my own, just kind of being stubborn, kind of being, I had a good job, I had a car and, had my own place and everything was going good. And then I had an incident involving my car. And after I lost my car, I had lost my job and everything. And, I just kind of felt really down at that moment. And I guess I was just like too, stubborn to ask my mom for for anybody for help, kind of prideful.
Well, here's the thing. You're on probation.
Yes.
If you don't follow through, you could end up going to prison for 2 years. The state jail facility is still prison. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So all of these things that were happening in your life, all you had to do was pick up the phone and call probation.
Yes, and also my mom too. I've talked to her this past weekend, and I did find out that my girlfriend, she's going on 3 months pregnant, and that my mom told me that I'm always here to help you out and support you. That you could always come to me for help, and she told me that she has a nice a room waiting for me. And that she's willing to support me. That she is right now she's working at Toyota, and so she said that she'd get me in with her, and that she could I could go with her to work. That she got a room for me. And
All right, slow it down. Do you have any children?
Yes, Your Honor.
How many?
I got 2 currently.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. Deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the MRT, a TAP evaluation and referral to felony drug court while in custody, a MIC evaluation, and that can be done out of custody probation because I know the length of time for that. Parenting classes, there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and CPS compliance if applicable, and he's going to be extended for 1 year. Is there anything else from either side? Is there anything else you need to be successful on this probation?
No, Your Honor.
Do not come back here again for not reporting. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck.